My name is Mustafa. I'm the Remote Inspection Operations Manager for Powercor. The span went over about 700 metres, so pole to pole. So top of the hill where the pole was, going down to the crew. We had a crew waiting down there. The drone flew over the trees, treetops, and ultimately dropped the guide wire for the crews waiting down below. It was amazing, yeah. So for us it was a massive milestone. It's the first time we've attempted to do such a complex mission. You can imagine over difficult terrain, a 300-metre span over trees with no access. Yeah, everyone was quite nervous to say the least, but ultimately, yeah, the job was successfully done. We were able to get the power back on for the customers very swiftly.
I'm Rob DeGrazia, and I'm working in the fault team at the moment. Really good to see, and we didn't have any impact on the environment. We got it done within, I think the draw rope was over within 10 minutes. Sort of surreal that you can, bring a piece of technology in that can help the guys out pretty well, and yeah, they're definitely a good tool to use in the business. So it's a good way to work smarter and not harder.
Ultimately, it means faster restorations. It means we can get the power back on for our customers faster. It means our crews can operate safer in kind of remote locations and difficult terrain, and ultimately it's lower cost for our customer at the end of the day.